Good job. I wonder if people think before they leave the house about where they're going, what they need to do, you know, how the road works and how to get there. Things like that. I know I'm not the only one, but whenever I leave the house, I always think, okay, I'm gonna need to go here and I'm gonna need to go here. If I go to this place first, then I can make a right out of it. That way I don't have to cross a bunch of traffic to get where I'm needing to go. And then I can go to get this stuff on the other side of the road, which means I can just make rights out of that. I don't want to go here first because then I'll end up having to make a left out of there. And you know, with the gas station there, and with this store there, and with this, and the intersection there, it's really hard to make a left-hand turn out of there. So I don't want to do that. I'm just going to go here first. That way I can make a right out of there. And then on my way back, I can go to the other side. That way I can just make a right out of there and not have to do all this stuff like these other people that I see doing, cutting through traffic and stuff. Did they not think about where they needed to go that day? I just wonder if other people feel. I know I'm not the only one, and I know that look at how green this guy's grass is. Ooh, I like it. I know there are others that plan their day like that. And if you are one of those people, oh, look how green this grass is too. All these people have nice green grass. Except for that person. They don't have green grass. Their grass isn't green at all. They should get some spray paint, paint that stuff. But if you're one of those people that kind of like build their day around where they need to go and not making traffic a nightmare, you're awesome. Don't you dare. Go ahead. Go right ahead. Good job. Good job. Give them wings preschool. Like chicken wings?